I'm going to start cutting and kind of try to bring something out of this piece of driftwood that was found lying on the banks of the Mississippi River near New Madrid, Missouri. Well, here we are, the finished Mississippi River wood spirit, or is it wood spirits? There's one, so we get the whole thing in there. And let's turn it around and let's see if we can get the whole thing in there. Not too bad. Now, there wasn't anything altered on this piece of root that I picked up as driftwood out of the Mississippi. And all I did was find a place for the faces, and I left absolutely no other carvings at all. So it's kind of 3-in-1, or maybe even more than that. What is that? A barred owl, a horned owl, and this thing. Those ears, this is not carved, just the face. So there we have it. The Mississippi River wood spirits. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss any more of my exciting videos.